Hey everyone, I'm Mitch Iverson, owner of Principia Fitness, and I'm here to tell you about our pain-free fitness workshop. You aren't going to stop going to work, you're not going to stop playing with your family, and you're not going to stop living an active life. At Principia Fitness, we know that you can improve your fitness and get out of pain at the same time without missing out on doing the things that you love. In the workshop, you are going to gain a better understanding of your body's current limitations and how those are causing plateaus in progress and nagging aches and pains. First, we will learn about what causes pain. Then, we will guide you through our joint-by-joint assessment. As we find your unique limitations, we will determine the impact that has on your life. And then we finish with a circuit of exercises that provides you with an opportunity to apply what you've learned, ensuring that you can continue to apply it on your own. After the workout, we will schedule a free one-on-one training session. This will allow us to dive deeper into your limitations and start taking action so that you can finally take aches and pains out of the things that you love.